everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Dagne Dover Hunter bags. I'm not sponsored to do this video. I just had some trouble making a purchasing decision and I ended up buying two. I ended up buying the small one and the large one first, and then I ended up purchasing the extra large one. And had I known about the different sizes, I probably would have made a different decision on which ones I ordered first. So if you are looking to buy one of the Dagne Dover Hunter bags and you're not too sure which one to get, then keep watching. If you are looking at these bags online, you will notice that they come in a small size. There's no medium size, there's a large size and an extra large size. And so when I originally ordered these online, I thought the small would be perfect for makeup, but it ended up not being the case. I'm someone who likes to travel with eyeshadow palettes, so I originally tried to put all my toiletries in the large one and then do the makeup for the small one, but then I quickly realized that the makeup, for the small one wasn't going to work out, and that this would be more of a bag that I would throw in my purse to just keep all my little things organized. So basically I just ended up using the small version for everything in my travel bag that's like, hairbrushes, and I'll show you guys soon the inside as well, so keep watching. So we'll start with the extra large size here, and then I'll go down in size from here. So this one fits full-size toiletries. All of these bags have these clips on the side. So basically what you can do is you can unzip them. And then once you fill them, you snap them in to compress them, and it just makes them more compact and your stuff doesn't move as much when they travel. There is like a medium-ish mesh bag that comes in the size that it doesn't connect at all to the, there's no Velcro piece in that one to hold in the bag, so it's really just placed in here. As you can see, there's just so much room. In here I just have some of my travel stuff. This is the living proof like size travel, which is a 3 fluid ounce, and so you can see like how much room that still has in here. Like you could easily fit full-size product, and then stand up everything. So I just have a couple things in here for when I like to travel. There's also like a mesh side pocket, which I can fit some of my little things like, tampons. And then there's like 3 loops that hold my chopsticks and anything that's like small and cylinder size. And then in this mesh bag, I actually fit all of my shower toiletries in here, so I can just take this to go in the shower when I am away. And so, see how I clip that down? This one, fits almost like double the amount as the like large size does, but I really like this one for toiletries. Next, we have the large size here, and as you can see, I'll compare them from the top. I don't know if you can see both of these side by side. I don't think you really can. No, but basically this one is a lot more compact, and I found this one to be really good for makeup. So I have a lot of makeup in here, but as you can see, it undoes itself, so you can unzip it. And then as you can see, I have like a decent amount of makeup in here already. So this is what I fit in the large size. Again, this one also has a little mesh bag. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, but it also has the Velcro to hold it in place. But in here, I fit a bunch of makeup, and I'll put all of this down here. So you can just see like these are all my concealers and my foundation, and another concealer as well. So that kind of all fits in this little mesh bag. So I'll put that in there. And then I fit a couple of palettes. We got Jeffree Star, we got some Kylie bronzers, eyeshadow palette from Smashbox, and then found a primer, mascara, another dim light powder, and then full-size blush. And then I really like this one, so it actually comes with a brush bag that also neatly goes in here. And then as you can see in here, what I've done is I just put all of my brushes and like long items like pencils in this little bag. Look at that, I even have another blush in here. Needs to be replaced, I know. So that's that. And then as you can see on this side, which I'll move these out of the way so you can get a better look. But on this side there's a loop, which I have my travel mascara in right now, and another little pocket that doesn't Velcro like the big one, but it just keeps like little things in place. And so what I do when packing this, I put the brushes at the bottom, and then you have the little Velcro on the side, and then easily I can just, there's so much room as you can see, place my pallets along the side, like so. Like so. And there you go. So as you can see, these fit pretty well. Everything that I just showed you, and then I just put other stuff on top, and then zips, and I clamp it down on both sides. And that's what I use for a makeup bag when I travel. Okay, so lastly we have the small size. I apologize, I had to switch to a voiceover here because my camera was making some weird feedback. So I will open up this one here and show you the inside and what I can fit. So I have a small wet brush that goes in the small purse. And then I have the lotion bottle and a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, the mini size, a scrunchie, dry shampoo because I can't travel without that, and then my serum. Alright, and so at the bottom I also keep some pens and a nail file as well, and a little brush where I keep my face powder, and there's me showing you the pens as well. But yeah, so that's the small size, and yeah, it definitely fits a lot for the purse. So picking up the bag and actually showing you what's in here, there is another little pocket similar to the other ones, and also the removable mesh. This one Velcros like the large one does, and I just keep like hair ties in there and little things that might float around. And then this one also has one of the 3-ring folders. All of these purses, all of these toiletry bags have these, so it's a great way to store little things like a chapstick. And yeah, it just fits right back in there, and all goes together, similar to the large one, just a smaller size scaled back. And again, this is the one that I actually purchased for makeup originally, but it totally does not fit much in there at all. And so yeah, I'm just putting my little purse back together. And this is the one that I just throw in my Long Champe, and I typically bring that one to work when I need to grab things easily to run to the restroom and not bring my entire purse. So, and as you can see, I'm just lining these ones up again so you can see that's the small, the large, and then the extra large. And the extra large is definitely really good for toiletries, and the large is great for makeup, and the small being the one in the purse. So if I had to decide again, and if you only have money to purchase one of these and you're looking for a makeup bag, I would definitely suggest the large. If you're looking to purchase one for the purse, definitely the small, and then for any of the larger toiletries, I would definitely recommend the larger one.